It's time to fly.
Wilpena Pound, here we go. Well, that's a new one.
Country song, morning lights is come along, lifting free into the endless blue. A whole new world comes into view. Ancient ridges circling all around, nature's masterpiece without a sound. Time stands still where the eagles glide, with the flinders opening up so wide. Higher and higher, what a sight to see. This old land's got a hold on me. Flying high above Wilpena Pound, where the oldest stories still resound. Red earth wrapped in a mountain ring, you can almost hear creation sing. Shadow and sunlight dancing on the stone, a place so wild, standing on its own. Every heartbeat, every turn around, feels like heaven over Wilpena Pound. Through the ancient land, painted by a timeless hand. Wedge-tailed eagles sharing the sky, drifting where the warm winds fly. Every cliff and every towering wall makes you feel both big and small. Looking down on a world so grand, one of the greatest in the southern land. Millions of years in every line, a living canvas carved by time. No words can never quite explain why this beauty calls again. Seems to gather around, golden sunlight on a rugged stone, a place